Hey guys, Lisa Callaghy here to share with you a video on how your students will access or can access their Google Docs from an assignment that you assign in Schoology, where the Google Doc is copied to each individual student. All right, let's get started. Right now, I am on a dashboard of a student from a class. I'm going to navigate to a course. And within that course, I'm going to click on a assignment. Okay, so once the assignment loads, for the student, the title of the assignment is at the top. There is an assignment button and a My Documents button. The assignment button is the default, and it lands with the description that the teacher provides for each student on the instructions for this particular assignment. Next, the student, after reading the instructions, students will click on My Document. From there, they may be asked, and most likely they will be asked, to sign into their Google account. So they're going to click on Login, and then they'll be prompted to type their username, which is their UCID number, and they must add the @ucboe.us after their UCID number. This is their Google account username. Next, they must sign in with their password, which is the same password that they use when they log into their computer and into ClassLink. So it's the same password. Next, they're going to click on Allow. This is going to allow the document that the teacher shared for the student to view it. Next, the student must click on the Edit button at the top right-hand corner of the screen. This will open up the document that the student needs to edit and follow the teacher's instructions on what to do. Once this is completed, all the students need to do is to click on the X at the top of the tab for the window of the browser that they're in. That will close that document, and then they must click on the Submit button. Once that's completed, the teacher will get a notification that this assignment was submitted by this student. Sometimes the way that I just showed you doesn't always work. So there is another choice. Students can also click where it says click here next to can't see your document. This will prompt the student again to connect to their Google accounts. If they have already logged into their Google account on the particular device that they're on, it will show up in this list. If they haven't, then they're going to have to use their sign-in again, typing in UC, their ID number, followed by @ucboe.us. Once they're successfully logged into their Google account, they click on Allow. Now students are able to click on the Edit button, and then they'll be able to see their document. Okay, so this has been the video on how students access their Google documents in Schoology that are attached to assignments.